Instagram has recently changed its interface, and the main change is the location of the button used to share stories, posts, live videos, reels, or any kind of content on Instagram. Before, it appeared in the middle of the bottom bar, but now it has been replaced by the Direct Messages button. To upload anything on Instagram now, what we need to do is go to our profile. Tap the icon at the bottom right, as usual, and then simply follow these easy steps by pressing the button located at the top left. In my opinion, this is currently the easiest way to do it. From here, you can choose whatever you want to upload and start setting up your new post however you like, with all the edits and settings you want. From this point on, the process doesn't change much compared to how posts were previously set up. As you can see, we can now choose the music at the top, and we can also add text or overlay images at the bottom. In the following options, we still have the usual ones available, such as tagging people, adding a location, or hiding like counts. Once you're done, simply tap Post, and it will be published on your profile automatically.